In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable encryption in Jotform. If you collect sensitive information, encryption adds a strong layer of protection by scrambling form responses so only you, with an access code, can read them. I'll show you the exact clicks, what to expect on screen, and a few practical tips so you can enable it confidently. Sign into your Jotform account and open the form you want to encrypt in the form builder. You should see the main canvas where you usually add fields and edit questions. Encryption is enabled per form, so double check that you're working on the specific form you intend to protect. At the top, click the Settings tab in the orange navigation bar. In the left-hand menu, make sure you're on Form Settings. On the right, find the option called Encrypt Form Data and toggle it to Yes. This changes how Jotform stores and delivers your data for that form, protecting all new submissions that come in after this point. A pop-up will appear asking you to verify your identity. Choose your sign-in method, or confirm using your Jotform login credentials, and click Verify. This quick check ensures only an authorized account owner can turn encryption on, which helps prevent accidental or unauthorized changes. It's a one-time step during setup. You'll now be prompted to create an access code for this form. Enter a unique code that's 8 to 16 characters long. This code is the key that unlocks your encrypted submissions later. Keep it private and store it securely, and only share it with teammates who truly need to decrypt it data. Avoid using personal details, and choose something memorable yet hard to guess. If you lose the code, previously encrypted entries can't be decrypted, so treat it with the same care you would any sensitive credential. Before finishing, read the consent message, check the box to confirm you understand the implications, and click Enable Encryption. That's it, encryption is now active for this form. From now on, new responses will be captured in an encrypted format. Earlier submissions are not retroactively encrypted. When you view submissions, Jotform will prompt you for the access code to decrypt the data. Email notifications and certain integrations may display limited or masked content because the information is protected, which is expected behavior. Depending on your workflow, some downloads and searches may be limited while encryption is on. To be sure everything is working the way you want, send yourself a quick test submission and verify you can decrypt it. You've successfully enabled encryption in Jotform. Keep your access code safe, and you'll be ready to collect sensitive data with confidence.